Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Gemini, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Gemini, first sign up for a Gemini account if you haven't done so already. Once registered, log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, focusing on the wallet and budgeting features. Decide what type of budget you want to create, such as a monthly budget or a project-specific budget. Take some time to assess your income sources, including all your crypto and fiat deposits. Next, outline your fixed expenses, which may include rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Identify your variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Start by entering your income into the budgeting tool within Gemini. Then, input your fixed expenses, ensuring to allocate them accurately. Next, add your variable expenses for the month, estimating costs based on previous spending habits. Once all expenses are entered, review your total income against your total expenses. Make adjustments to your expenses if needed, prioritizing essential costs. Utilize Gemini's analytics tools to track your spending categories over time. Set savings goals within your budget to allocate funds for future needs or investments. Regularly revisit your budget to make necessary adjustments based on changing financial circumstances. Check the analytics weekly to ensure you're staying on track with your budget. Use the insights provided to identify areas where you can cut back or save more. Consider connecting additional accounts or wallets to get a comprehensive view of your financial situation. Once comfortable with your budget, you can start planning for investments using Gemini's trading features. Finally, keep a regular check on your financial goals to maintain motivation and a clear direction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.